Hello friends, welcome to King Prince YouTube channel. In this video, we know how to create the subscribe button animation for your YouTube channel. Let's get into the video. Open the KineMaster application and select the 16:9 ratio. And select the white page. And change color white to green. Important, note down this color points. Select media as a layer. Select the PNG of subscribe button, and bell icon. These PNGs download links in description. Wait, the file is locked with password. The password is in video, watch the full video, and don't skip the video, you will get the password. And another thing, would you want the pre-ready green screen video, it also in the description. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, King Prince, and press the bell icon to get latest updates of our channel videos. The audio in the bell icon video, first extract the audio from the video, then start the editing as in the video by following the video process. The password is 5050. Edit the video recording on the audio. This sticker is in the KineMaster store, named as Interface 1995. To download no watermark and VIP of the KineMaster, the download link is in description. Download from there. And now, open the Pixelab application. You have not downloaded the app, go download from the Play Store. Create your channel name using this font. Download link is in description of this font, and the Pixelab application Play Store link is also in description. All these PNGs, applications, and social media links are in description. And please hit a like for the video for this effort. Thank you for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Please give same support for all our videos.